Hello there, what's up my athletes? We welcome you to this total body strength training workout for women by CureFit. I'm Sivini, joining me today I have Nikki, and we are going to guide you through this exciting and super fun exercise at home.
We are excited to bring you this 5 handpicked workout movements that will do wonders to your body. We will be performing all the movements for 45 seconds each with a 15 seconds rest in between. The best part is that you can do this workout at the comforts of your house and you don't need any equipment.
That's right. Fitness is something that all of us should make a part of our lives. For all of you watching this video, join us through these home workout movements and we will make sure that you feel amazing at the end of this. Without further delay, let's begin with our workout. The first movement Nikki's going to demonstrate for you.
It's called the push-ups, okay? So, the setup for this is first, you get into a high plank position. Remember, your palms are going to be right under your shoulder, core tight, your hips and your knees fully extended. From here, you're going to lower your body down and then come all the way up, okay? For my beginners, you can drop your knees down, keep your core tight, and just do a knee down push-up, okay?
Okay,
let's start.
Let's go. 45 seconds on the clock. We're beginning in 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna breathe out when you're pushing up.
This is gonna target your shoulders, gonna activate your chest muscles as well, and those back muscles as well. Keep going, guys. Stay with us.
Keep that core tight. Remember, you have the option of keeping your knees down, push the hips forward, and do a knee down push-up.
And remember not to flare your elbows out like this, alright? Flaring your elbows is not the correct one. So keep your elbows closer to your torso and keep going.
And we're done in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, gonna shake those arms out. That was really intense. 45 seconds, but we got through it together. The next movement that we have is the prone pull down. I'm gonna set this up for you. You're gonna lie on your torso. That's the pronated position when you're lying on your belly. From here, neck neutral, arms extended. You're gonna pull, squeeze the muscles on your shoulders, your upper back, and extend properly, all right? When you're extending, it's like you're trying to push away from yourself, and then you're gonna pull again. Let's go. 45 seconds. If you want to scale this down between each rep, you can rest your arms or your hands down. Ready? In 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna breathe out when you feel that tension in your muscles, working on that upper back.
Squeeze your upper back, guys.
Remember, your neck is neutral, in line with the rest of your spine. You're gonna feel this on your shoulders as well.
Keep going, guys. Stay with us. I know you guys are doing a fabulous job.
Already feeling the burn.
Yup.
Just keep moving.
Few more seconds on the clock. Keep going. Stay with us.
Only getting stronger from here. And we're done in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Great job, guys. 2 movements done and dusted. Moving on to a third movement that's called 1 squat plus 1 lunge. This is going to target your lower body. So as the name suggests, 1 squat, right? So starting with a squat, feet should be shoulder width apart. Yeah, from here, you're going to lower your body down. Make sure to take your hip just below your knee line and then come all the way up. Take one leg back, go for a lunge. Now, when you're lunging, make sure the knee that is behind is right under your hip and the front knee is not crossing your toe, all right? And then come up, bring back, 1 squat, take the other leg back, lunge, and forward. That's all, huh? We'll start in 3, 2, 1. 1 squat, 1 lunge. Let's go. Squat down, lunge, forward, squat down, and lunge. If you want to scale it down, what I would suggest is go for a partial squat and then lunge, okay? And when you're lunging, you can scale it down and touch your knee to the floor, okay? Keep going, guys.
You want to keep your chest up, your back straight. When you're doing both the squat and the lunge,
you're gonna feel this on your quads. It's burning, right?
it is the glutes, the hamstrings, and
5, 4, 3, 2, and relax.
that's right, give it a good shake. The next one we have, movement number 4, is also lower body focused, the glute bridges. For this, gonna lie on the ground. You're gonna keep your knees bent, your lower back pressed onto the floor. That helps engage your core. And your fingertips should graze your heels, yeah? From there, push your hips up towards the ceiling, keep the core engaged, and squeeze your glutes. That's your butt. From there, almost all the way down, and you go in for the next rep. If you want to scale this down, rest down and go up for the next rep once you're done. Yeah? Ready?
Yeah.
45 seconds. Let's start in 3, 2, and 1. You want to breathe out on top. Remember, you're squeezing the glutes. You're going to feel that in your glutes, your core, your quads.
Now guys, remember, you don't have to push your hip all the way up to the ceiling, all right? That's one common mistake that people tend to do when they're doing glute bridges. Don't push your hip all the way up like this, okay? Keep going. Squeeze your glutes.
You're creating a straight line from your knees to your shoulders on that top position.
Stay with us, almost there.
Feeling that work in the
5,
glutes.
4, 3, 2, and done. Relax. Great job, guys. So, before we move on to our last movement, we would like to invite you to the CureFit app and try out our CureFit Live there. Here, you can work out with more trainers like us who will guide you in your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days. Now, moving on to our last movement, Suvini, take it over.
The last movement that we have is going to target the entire abdomen, the front, the obliques, all of it, yeah? The bicycle crunches. For this, we're going to lie down on the back again, press the lower back into the floor. You're going to keep your hands interlocked behind your head for support, elbows out, and you're going to set up like this, your knees in line with your hips. From there, you're going to twist to one side, try and touch your opposite elbow and knee together, and repeat the same thing on the other side. We're going to move and pick up the pace as the 45 seconds go by. Ready?
Yeah.
If you want to scale this down, try and move just a little slower. For beginners, you can just move a little slower. We're ready to start. 45 seconds. Get down in position in 3, 2, and 1. You want to breathe out when you feel that contraction in your muscles, working the entire midsection here.
Don't forget to twist your body, guys, and the extended leg should be fully extended, okay? Don't bend that leg. Knee shouldn't be bent. Keep going, core tight, and keep breathing. Last movement, keep going.
Come on, stay with us. We're almost there. Getting stronger together.
My core is slightly starting to burn now. How about you, Suvini?
Yes, definitely feeling that burn. And we're done in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Great job, guys. We are done with this home workout. Add this to your own personal playlist and come back and do this workout with us. Try to do this workout, all the movements, at least for 4 to 5 times, okay? 4 to 5 times rounds at least, okay? This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger.
That's right. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like this video, share it across with your friends and family. Save the video either in watch later or create a new personal playlist. Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers, see you soon, take care, and goodbye.